आप कहाँ काम कर रहे हैं? Where are you working? Where are you working? मैं जयपुर में काम कर रहा हूँ। I am working in Jaipur. I am working in Jaipur. क्या तुम आ रहे हो? Are you coming? Are you coming? हाँ, मैं आ रहा हूँ। Yes, I am coming. Yes, I am coming. नहीं, मैं नहीं आ रहा हूँ। No, I am not coming. No, I am not coming. आप वहाँ क्यों गए थे? Why did you go there? Why did you go there? मैं वहाँ नहीं गया। I didn't go there. I didn't go there. मैं झूठ नहीं बोल रहा हूँ। I am not lying. I am not lying. मैं इसे फिर कभी नहीं खाऊंगा। I will never eat that again. I will never eat that again. क्या आप जा रहे हैं? Are you going? Are you going? हम जा रहे हैं। We are going. We are going. मैं जा रहा हूँ। I am going. I am going. आपने ऐसा क्यों किया? Why did you do that? Why did you do that? आप ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हैं? Why are you doing that? Why are you doing that? मैं उसे नहीं करूँगा। I will not do that. I will not do that. इसके बजाय ये करो। Do this instead. Do this instead. यहाँ से कूद जाओ। Jump from here. Jump from here. वहाँ से भागो। Run from there. Run from there. धीरे धीरे चलो। Walk slowly. Walk slowly. चलो और बात करो। Walk and talk. Walk and talk. जोर से पढ़ो। Read loudly. Read loudly. धीरे धीरे पियो। Drink slowly. Drink slowly. बस रोको। Stop the bus. Stop the bus. मुझे फिर बताओ। Tell me again. Tell me again. जाओ और सो जाओ। Go and sleep. Go and sleep. वह मुझे दो। Give me that. Give me that. इसे बाहर फेंको। Throw it away. Throw it away. नीचे लिखो। Write it down. Write it down. जाओ और पहले जांचो। Go and check once. Go and check once. जल्दी से दरवाजा बंद करो। Close the door quickly. Close the door quickly. बिस्किट को 2 टुकड़ों में तोड़ो। Break the biscuit into 2 pieces. Break the biscuit into 2 pieces. बार बार मत खाओ। Don't eat often. Don't eat often. इसे कल ले आओ। Bring it tomorrow. Bring it tomorrow. किसी भी तरह मैंने ये कर दिया। Somehow I did it. Somehow I did it. मैं इसके साथ क्या करूं? What do I do with this? What do I do with this? आप कृपया इसे रख लो। You please keep it. You please keep it. हम दुकान जा रहे हैं। We are going to the shop. We are going to the shop. देखो किताब कैसे फटी हुई है। See how the book is torn. See how the book is torn. वहाँ जाना होगा। Need to go there. Need to go there. आप कहाँ जाना चाहते हैं? Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? तुम वहाँ क्यों जाना चाहते हो? Why you want to go there? Why you want to go there? मैं तो बस वहाँ जाना चाहता हूँ। I just want to go there. I just want to go there. क्या आप ऐसा कर सकते हो? Can you do this? Can you do this? मैं यह आसानी से कर सकता हूँ। I can do this easily. I can do this easily. क्या आप मेरे लिए ऐसा कर सकते हो? Can you do this for me? Can you do this for me? मैं ये काम आपके लिए अवश्य करूँगा। I will definitely do this for you. I will definitely do this for you. मुझे गुलाब जामुन बहुत पसंद है। I like gulab jamun very much. I like gulab jamun very much. ये स्वादिष्ट है. It is tasty. It is tasty. बेहद नमकीन. Too salty. Too salty. पर मुझे ये पसंद है. But I like it. But I like it.